Okay, so Tamsin buys a brand new car which costs £7,000. It says that its value depreciates, yeah, by 8% each year for the first 2 years. Now remember, depreciate means it goes down, yeah. In the third year then, there is a high demand for second-hand cars, so cars that are sold on, and the value of Tamsin car appreciates by 6%. So because there's more demand for second-hand cars, her value says appreciate, and appreciate means it goes up, okay? So in the first 2 years, it decreases, it depreciates. So we're going to need to work out what 8% is of 7,000. So remember, okay, we're going to write down our method here, and to change 8%, okay, into decimal, first step, we write that as 0.08, that's what 8% is as a decimal. Of means times, and then 7,000. That's our method. So we get the calculator and we work that out, and we get £560. So that's how much it goes down by, okay? So we need to then work out what it'll be at the end of that year, okay? So just think that she bought this car on maybe the 1st of January for £7,000, and then throughout the year then it depreciates by 8%. So at the end of the year it's now worth £560 taken away from 7,000, okay? So I should have written 7,000 first, shouldn't I? So I'll write that 7,000 take away 560. So if I do that, we get 6,440. So that's its value at the end of year 1, okay, 6,440. So then we go again, right? Remember, it depreciates, it says, for 2 years, okay? 2 years it depreciates for. So now we work out 8%, but this time of its new value, which is valued at the end of year 1, yeah, 6,440. So we write down our method. 8% is 0.08. Of means times, and 6440. We get that out to be £515.2. It comes out of my calculator, and of course, because it's money, right? Even though the calculator says this, I need to add a 0 there, yeah, to represent 2 decimal places for 20 pence there. So again, then we appreciate that the end of year 2. Then fact is that it's been depreciating, so we take that amount away, that 8% away from what we started with, okay? So I do that on my calculator, I get out £5,924 and then 0.8 it says, so that'll be 80 pence. That will be at the end of year 2. And then in the third year it says there's like a high demand, isn't there, for second-hand cars. So if she wants to sell it, she might get some more money for it. So the price, it says, appreciates by 6%. So what I'll do now is I'll work out 6% of this, £5,924.80. So 6% is 0.06. So we get out 335. Now this time on my calculator, 355 rather, it comes out to be 3 decimal places displayed on the screen, right, as you can see here, okay, 3 decimal places. Now of course with money we only want 2 decimal places, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop off the 3rd decimal place, chop off that 8 there, but it's so important that when you chop it off you need to round this then, yeah, and because that's an 8 we need to round this up, so it'll be £355.49, okay? Now also then go back to the question, and bearing in mind that it says appreciates, so at the end of the 3rd year, okay, we started off with this value 5924.80, then we need to add on, yeah, it appreciates, it's gone up in value because second-hand cars are becoming more popular. So I just need to add those 2 values together and I get the value at the end of the 3 years. So that comes to £6,280.29.